Okay, 8th grade, I'm not going to lie. Lab number 12 is tough. So I'm giving you 2 days to do it, and it is worth 15 points. You get 5 points for this lab sheet and 10 points for your lab work. I think these videos are going to be too long for you to do on Flipgrid, so you can just send me a video at a time. I'm going to clip all 4 of my videos together on this, and I'm going to go through each situation for you in case you're having difficulties. If you can do it without me, go for it. Good luck. Okay, situation A is 2 cells in series, a bulb and a switch. And so I've drawn it for you here. And as you see, here are my 2 cells in series, my switch and my bulb. In series, it all goes in one circle. So this is exactly what I have here. I have my 2 batteries. My switch is right here, and I'm just turning it on right there. You can see it comes on. And my bulb. My batteries are laid end to end for the series. Let me just tell you, when you just have one hand, I have my ribbons taped to my battery here, and I use paper clips to keep my ribbons together because, you only have 2 hands. So I'm going to hold my batteries together with one hand, and I'm going to turn on a switch. Another thing you can use to keep your switch on is a clothespin too. So there you go. That's situation A. Okay, so here's situation B, where you're going to have 2 cells in parallel with a bulb and a switch. If you look in my drawing, in the drawing you're going to have to do, here are my 2 cells right here in parallel, but my light bulb and switch are on one loop. The batteries make a ladder, but there's the bulb and the switch in one line. So I have it set up here. Here are my 2 batteries set up side by side instead of end to end, and my light bulb. And if you can barely see my light bulb, it just has a very little light. And that answers your question below, that you want to have a shining bright bulb. You want your batteries to be in series. And check out the difference. Just go back in the video and look at my batteries in series, or do it yourself. Batteries in series produce a much brighter light than batteries in parallel. And that's why in flashlights you put them end to end so you can get a much brighter light. All right, situation C. You're going to have this time 2 bulbs, 2 cells, and a switch in series. So here's my drawing. I have my 2 bulbs side by side and my 2 batteries end to end and my switch, and I closed it so the electricity will go through. So it is one big circle when it's in series, no ladders. So, boom, are you interested? So here's my 2 cells in series, end to end. Here's a bulb, and over here's my switch. And as you can see, I have it in just one big circle. Some hints. Try to eliminate some excess foil because that's a lot of wire for your batteries to be pumping through. So I just kind of cut it off here. And I tape my foil to my battery because, again, I don't have enough hands. And I'm going to shut my switch. And you can see my light bulbs are lighting, but not very bright at all. But there they are. Both of them are lit. Okay, last situation. In this last one, the bulbs are going to be in parallel, and I'm going to keep my cells in series because we know that cells in series are the best way. So these bottom 2 situations, we keep our cells in series. And we're just seeing which shines brighter, bulbs in series or bulbs in parallel. So with our bulbs in parallel, they have to be in a ladder. And then I come around here, here's my switch, and I close it off, and my 2 cells end to end. Short, long, short, long. And then this is what it's going to look like as you're setting it up. As you see here, I have a ladder of bulbs. So I just laid. Okay, my video got cut off, so I'm going to show you my 2 bulbs lit in parallel. And you can see they shine much, much, much brighter in parallel. So when you're doing electricity, you want your bulbs in parallel and your batteries in series, and that's going to give you nice bright lights. Okay, 8th grade, so now it is your turn to show me your 4 situations. Big hints. Make sure you have very nice, neat ribbons. That's going to make your life easier. Make sure you have really good light bulb holders. You need 2 of them. That's why you're getting 2 days to do this lab, because you're going to have to make another light bulb holder, and you're probably going to have to make some more ribbons. And there's a lot of situations. You also have 2 options. You need to send it to me just on text through your phone. You can just record a situation at a time. Or you can try to do it all on Flipgrid. But to be honest, I think Flipgrid's going to be really hard to show all 4 situations. But if you can do it, great. Good luck to you. This is a tough one. Challenge yourself. You can do it.